Hi, I'm Carisa Workman, the City of Santee's Fire Marshal. Cooking safety starts with you. As we approach the holiday season, cooking brings friends and family together and provides an outlet for creativity. But did you know that cooking fires are the #1 cause of home fires and injuries? Most of cooking fires are due to unattended cooking and involve the kitchen stove. Follow these safety tips to prevent these fires. Keep anything that is flammable away from the stovetop. If you're simmering, baking, or roasting food, check on it regularly and use a timer to remind you that you are cooking. Be on alert. If you're sleepy or have consumed alcohol, don't use the stove. Stay in the kitchen when frying, boiling, grilling, or broiling. If you have to leave, turn off the stove. If you have a small grease fire, do not use water. Instead, smother the flames by sliding a lid over the pan and turning off the burner. For oven fires, turn off the heat and keep the oven door closed. Having a kid-free zone of at least 3 feet around the stove is another great safety tip. If you have any doubt about fighting a small fire, just get out. Close the door behind you to contain the fire. Then call 911. Be safe and get cooking.